The Evening Star candlestick chart pattern is often used by traders to identify the change in the market price movement from upwards to downwards. In this video, I'll show you what it looks like and then explain how we calculate it here on the TradeOxy platform. The Evening Star candlestick pattern is a 3-candle pattern. The first candle is bullish and the third candle is bearish, and there is a gap between the first and the second candle. The second candle is characterized by being a very small body with small wicks, indicating indecision in the market. When these conditions are met, an Evening Star candlestick pattern is identified. I'll show you how we calculate this at TradeOxy. First, we check that the first and the third candles are bullish and bearish in nature, so on this chart, green and red. Then we check the candlestick of the second candle or middle candle. We make sure that it's less than 20% the size of the first candle. Then we look at the closing price of the first candle and the opening price of the second candle and make sure that there's a gap between them. When these conditions are met, we can say that there has been an Evening Star candlestick pattern identified, and we apply that to the rest of our platform. The theory behind this candlestick chart pattern is that it demonstrates a change in the price movement direction for a particular asset. You can see in the first candle that there's a large movement upwards demonstrated by the larger bullish candle. Then the second candle demonstrates that there's a little bit of indecision in terms of the price movement, demonstrated by a very small candle with a small body. Finally, this gets confirmed in the third candlestick with the large bearish candlestick heading down. The great thing about the TradeOxy platform is that it allows you to apply this calculation to the tens of thousands of different assets that we cover, whether you're interested in US stocks, crypto, or Forex. We also cover heaps of different time frames, which really allows you to level up your trading. Of course, all trading is at your own risk, and I really hope that this helps. See you there.